Hey everybody, today we're in a Toyota Tacoma. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855191. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as this blue covering here and on the inside here. You'll want to make sure you remove that covering before you attach the mount to the dash. And the second thing is you want to make sure you attach the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now, this mount is going to attach in two different seams. The first one is up here, and it's the seam that's between this silver piece of the dash and what's right behind it on top here. The second is underneath, and it's again between this silver piece and this black piece underneath. You want to grab the included gap opener and find where there's a bend here, right where the trim goes down towards the steering wheel. And we're going to insert that gap opener into the seam that's right in there, basically as far as we can get, just so this whole seam along here opens up. Next, you're going to take your mount, make sure the sticker's on top, and we're going to hook this lip over the top of that seam up here. And just so you get it right, you basically want to line up this side of the mount with this line right next to these buttons here. So you hook that on top, and now we can use our other hand to pull down on the mount. And once it snaps into that seam we have opened, you just remove the gap opener and you're all set. Now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.